So today, we're going to be taking a look at XRP, and there have been quite a few requests for this one, naturally, coming up in the comment section below my videos. You're asking, if we can do XRP, if we can get into XRP. I genuinely believe that XRP has a lot of holders. XRP does, and it's showing some really beautiful chart structures. And I'm going to explain to you precisely within this video where things are likely headed because, well, we've definitely made a bottom. Okay, you can see, can you not, this double bottom right here? That, my friends, is a double bottom. And then following that, we have another double bottom formation just here. A double bottom, another double bottom, and all of this, you see, really signals an impending pop. Right here, this is the story. The fundamental, the social network, we absolutely cannot allow ourselves to be swayed into making poor decisions. When you're buying at the absolute bottom, you've got to be thinking about selling at the top. Naturally, an indicator showing 400% simply signifies 20%. So you really need to hurry up before whatever happens. All right, so we're going to buy at the bottom. I'm going to try and break this down in a really straightforward way, and you can see this fundamental pop right over here, this pop, and we'll just click on it right here. This fundamental pop represents a 53% move. I really like the fundamental aspect of it. It doesn't really make me want to completely exit, you understand? Where I'm kind of summarizing in my mind, its application, everything, is social. And the only person I'm really